Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another day of Close on Mondays. I'm going to make this quick, short, brief video showing you guys how to create an EIN number. For the EIN number is very simple to create. For the guys that don't know what is an EIN number, an EIN number is an employer identification number, something that you need for your business when it comes to filing taxes. That's the simplest I can put that. But next, we're going to show you guys how to create this super duper number that you need. So we're going to go to the web browser here. I've already got it typed in. It's irs.gov. You're not going to see it appear on the screen right away. So my suggestion for you guys is to search EIN. Once you search EIN, you will see big bold letters EIN. You click on that. Once you click on that, you will see apply for an EIN. I actually tried, this is like my second or third video. I tried creating one of these things. I know I wasn't going to get approved for it because I was using I wasn't using real information. I was doing for the purpose of this video. I was using a dummy name or dummy information, but it didn't let me go to like maybe step 3 or step 4. So I'm going to create this with a real name, real social, all the real information. But just because that information is very sensitive, I will blur it out. So let's get on it. I think the time slot for this is maybe like 10-15 minutes. So let's get it done under 10 minutes to have you guys right. If it's not, we're just going to create a speedy loop for it, and that will help. So let's get to it. I got a limited liability company. For the guys that don't have that yet, you can use sole proprietor. I do not suggest using that, but hey, it's better than using your social for your business. So either way, you're gonna have to use both of them, I think, when it comes to sole proprietor. But more likely, if you got an LLC, that will be leaning towards the EIN number for your business instead of your social. But anyway, long story short, an EIN is a social security for your business. To be honest with you, that's another way to put it. But let's get to it. I'm not gonna hold this site up. I think it will times out on me if I don't move my mouse. So for this LLC, I think we have 2 members in this LLC. I think it's in Georgia. That stuff is pretty simple, man. You read all this stuff, and on your own time. I've read this several times just to make sure, and I actually click on all of these just to see what it looks like, what it's for, type stuff. So I'm going to continue, and it's the reason I usually would use starting a new business, but for this purposes, we're going to use banking purposes because we're trying to get a bank account in this business name. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna go that route. All caps is gonna be okay. So wherever you reside, I would use that information when it comes to this type of stuff because you might receive a letter, you might receive some type of tax information towards the end of the year or around tax season. It depends on what you're doing with your business, how you keeping up with your taxes or whatnot. So that's another story for another day. So this information is pretty clear. Again, they're gonna ask you information about, your legal name, your trade name, the county, state. Like I said, all that information you should already know. Is pretty simple from that point. Whatever the name of your business, make sure you add the LLC behind it because you just can't put the name of your business. You have to put the LLC unless you're a sole proprietor. But yeah, let's keep it going. So we're almost done. This is almost the finish line. I think this might be the last thing I have to type in. All of these will be no unless you're driving a truck. If you're in the trucking industry, of course you'll choose that one. If you're driving a truck that's pushing over that amount. But like I said, all of these will be no for the business that I chose. Make sure you read through and see what mirror your business or what match up to what you're doing. Like I said, we're in a different niche right now, kind of moving kind of fast. But if you don't, if you don't see your business, always choose other and specify what you're doing. And we're done. So this is the easy part. And everything looks good, look good. Looks legit, looks legit. So, uh, wasn't expecting to get all the way finished. Like I said, I wasn't planning on using information that was legit information. So, usually when you get done with that, you will receive your EIN the same day, unless you choose for them to mail it off to you. But as you see, this video is done. So this is pure simple. If you have any issues and you cannot finish for some odd reason, always contact the number that is provided at the end, and they will take care of that for you. They will simplify it for you. They will make sure everything is done. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit subscribe. Follow me on my social media accounts. That's it. Y'all have a good day.